Welcome to International Social Work, sometimes called Global Social Work. This is a macro course that deals with more broad-based issues around the world. People who are struggling with poverty, oppression, discrimination, poor health care, and sanitation, they usually need global, broad-based macro solutions to their problem. This is a course that deals with social cohesion, empowerment, respect for diversity, the liberation of people, human rights, very big in this type of work. The violation of human rights, the United Nations, NGOs around the world are of major concern to international social workers. One of the biggest areas of this type of social work is social development, where we as social workers go into populations and help them help themselves, because they are the experts on their own culture, to develop resources, find ways to be empowered, develop skills and knowledge to help them in whatever issues they have. As you go through this course, it will be a little bit depressing. Some of the issues are very big, they're very intense, but I would like for you to keep an open mind and to look at all of the issues, and hopefully your heart will be able to go along and be brave and strong as you look at some of the horrible things that have happened around the world. Develop a good emotional strength as you look at these issues and try to problem solve them. Thank you very much.